about an approval process that was just submitted by a user, by staff of the company. Someone just submitted an approval process. So you as the manager or an admin, all you need to do is to click on this approval process, and you can already see details about the approval. For example, authority to travel. This could be anything. This could be about base expense. This could be about way bill. This could be about anything. So for this particular one about authority to travel, and these are all the people that are supposed to sign. So you can already see that from the email, the manager can already see, oh, this person, the crew head, the employee crew head has already signed or has already approved. Now, next is the base supervisor, after which the field services manager is going to sign. So for the user, it's easy for you to track all of these requests because you can simply just click on view request and you'll be taken to that particular request. So this is the request that was submitted. So the user has clicked from their email and taken directly to the request. So this is the form. So this is the details that was submitted for the travel request, the time, the location, the amount, and all of those things. So if the admin sees that the details are correct, the information are correct, all he needs to do is simply to update his status. So this is where the base supervisor is supposed to sign. He's going to click on update status. He can say either approved or rejected, depending. But in this case, we're going to click on approved. You can also add a comment here and update. Once it does that, um, this that comment is going to be displayed right under this request. So everyone who goes on this request can see. The user can also attach a file. So for example, let's say the user wants to travel, also attach their driver license. For example, you can click on it, you can view the driver's license over here. So the system gives the opportunity to manage your request in a very easy way. So you can see the approval flow from this approval side, approved, approved. So it has gone next to the field service manager who's going to sign and approve. So comments can be added here, so everyone can track different details about the um, approval process. So the admin or whoever can also decide to go to their dashboard where they will see different notifications about different requests. They can track notifications. They can see the total request approval they still have to make. Um, so for the employee to check all the requests that are pending on his table, all he needs to do is to come to all requests and go to approvals. These are all the approvals he needs to make. So these are the different requests. So you can see, you can track how far the requests are progressing. This particular request that was submitted is at 40%. This is at 70%. This one is still at 0%. Nobody assigned. This is at 100% approved. So you can view any of these ones and approve them. So you can decide to do all of this in a single block of time instead of having people barge into his office with different forms and papers flying everywhere. So this is a much more organized way for you to undo your approvals. Next, I'm going to show you how those that applied for requests, how they can also access the platform and manage their request and see real time who has approved the state of their request and what they have to do next.